Hi there, my name is Matt Sarson. I am the Chief Marketing Officer at Visitor Analytics, and recently we've been included in GetApps' 9 Best Web Analytics Platform feature article. And I just wanted to talk a little bit about this because it's not simply a subjective list of platforms that have been put together, but actually based on reviews and ratings of the platforms on the GetApp platform itself. And so we have been listed in the top 9 solutions based on criteria such as ease of use, value for money, feature availability, and the likelihood to recommend. What also stood out to us in this article was that at the end, there were 4 key questions that were listed by GetApp in terms of what you should be asking any potential web analytics vendor that you're looking at prior to making your decision. And so we thought, why not simply go through these 4 questions now, give you the answers from our perspective, so you already know exactly how we operate and what we provide up front. And so I'm just going to go through each one now and give you some short answers from the perspective of Visitor Analytics. So question number 1 was, does your platform support multiple website management? And so for us, the answer is yes. So if your business has multiple websites, you're simply able to add all of them, and then you'll have a drop-down list at the top left corner of your platform where you can then select which website you want to access the dashboard to. So you can have multiple dashboards all within one platform. There's no need to log out, log back in again. Here at Visitor Analytics, we obviously use our own platform. We have multiple domains set up for various different reasons. And we simply, click this menu, look at the drop down, select the website we want to access the data for, and then jump straight into that dashboard seamlessly. So no exiting and entering, no confusion, and no limitations in that respect. Okay, question 2, what kind of website analytics services does our software provide? So this for me is a really key question because it's definitely where we believe we are differentiated from a lot of the rest of the market, if not all of it. And that's because we don't simply offer website analytics, but what we call website intelligence. Now, this is not just a fancy term, but it's something that we've structured around 3 key pillars. The first one being performance statistics, the second one being visitor behavior analytics, and the third one being visitor communication. So performance statistics is more like what you would see in your usual analytics platform. So this includes things such as conversions, bounce rate, website traffic, demographics, devices, campaigns, these kind of key metrics. The second key pillar that I mentioned was visitor behavior analytics. So this is more like heat maps, session recordings, conversion funnels, and various other features. This is far more interactive, far more visual, and it adds a real additional element on top of those performance statistics. The final pillar that we have within website intelligence is visitor communication. So this is surveys, polls, chats, etc. And this is where you start to directly communicate with the visitors on your website to add another additional layer of insight and metrics on top of those 2 former pillars. And so we have created this vision not as a marketing statement, but as a product vision and roadmap. And we firmly believe that this is the way to go. And so if you're looking at using a website analytics platform, do consider how many features across this broader spectrum of website intelligence these platforms offer. Because what tends to happen if you select a platform with just one of these pillars is eventually you start adding more pillars from elsewhere, your data ends up in multiple different places, and your costs go up too. Okay, question 3, how customizable is the software? So we offer many customizable reporting options when it comes to visualizing your data. We're also currently working on a setting whereby you can completely rearrange the tiles within your dashboard. And so you can place the KPIs and metrics most important to you towards the top of this dashboard and make sure that as soon as you log into your platform, you straight away have a clear view of the most important things that you want to see. Even beyond this, we also have a white label version of our platform and an integratable analytics as a service solution. Now, this means that for agencies and for other SaaS platforms, you're able to kind of more fully integrate our platform within your own services or your own platform itself. and offer a completely customized solutions, including fonts, branding, all sorts of different elements, so that you can provide a kind of white labeled version of our analytics platform within your own branding or within your customers' branding too. Final question, a lot more simple this one. How many users can access the dashboard? The answer for us is that as many as you want. There's no limit. You can invite your whole team, your extended family, friends, neighbors, whoever you like, if you so desire. No limits whatsoever. Just make sure that you're the only one with the owner role and that everyone else is added as contributors, thus limiting their editing access. So yes, no limits in this regard. So that's answering those 4 questions from GetApp. We've linked that article below as well, so you can see that yourself. Of course, there are different solutions that suit different people. We're very proud about what we've achieved over the past 5 or 6 years and where we're heading. And we really believe in this website intelligence kind of focus, whereby you can access all of these key pillars of website intelligence all in one platform. As a final thing, another question we would add to this is to look at the privacy and compliance elements of each platform. Again, we're also proud to be the only privacy perfect website analytics solution on the market, and so we have you covered in that respect too. Many thanks for listening. Get back if you want any more information, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.